example, you want to so checkboxes. So if you do checkboxes, I think that's a really cool feature. And then you can close the different checkboxes, and then later you can convert back. Let's say hide checkboxes, so it converts them back. And then let's say here you want to have the checkboxes again for some reason. You can add another list item. See that's really clever, right? Let's say go back to the checkboxes, and then you can undo the checkboxes, which I think is really cool. And again, let's say checkboxes. So if you add checkboxes, it automatically adds them as list items, and it's really cool because you can move the list items around. Let's say yet more text can go to the bottom. And you see, notice here, this is kind of a sub list item. If you you can move it to the right, move it to the left, so they're aligned. And this is so it becomes a sub list item in the checkboxes. I think that's a really useful thing. And again, we can move these items around, and you might want to have the default color of white. And then let's say again we want to have checkboxes. Actually, recently I don't use checkboxes that much, but they could be very useful. It depends on what you're doing. There's so much you can do with Google Keep. It's all more or less what you want to do with it, but it is very, very, very useful. So let's say, for example, learning Spanish. I'll go back to the default colors. Let's say Spanish word, English word. Let's say lunes, Monday. Okay, I don't know. So for example, maybe you want to practice vocab like that.